हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू यू ऑल। तहे दिल से आपका स्वागत है आपके अपने पढ़ाई करो करो तैयारी जीत के यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म पर। 365 डेज़ द डे इट वाज के आज के इस सेशन में आज हम फिर से आपके लिए लेके आए हैं इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स एंड हिस्टोरिकल सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ टुडे। शुरुआत करने से पहले दोस्तों एक मोटिवेशनल कोट से शुरू करते हैं। हदे शहर से निकली तो गांव गांव चली, कुछ यादें मेरे संग पाँव पाँव चली। सफ़र जो धूप का हुआ तो तजुर्बा हुआ, सफ़र जो धूप का हुआ तो तजुर्बा हुआ। वो ज़िंदगी ही क्या जो छाँव छाँव चली, वो ज़िंदगी ही क्या जो छाँव छाँव चली। तो आइए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं इसी पॉजिटिविटी के साथ। 14 दिसंबर 1918 बेल्लूर कृष्णमचार सुंदरराजा अयंगर, famously known as BKS Iyengar, a very famous yoga teacher around the world and founder of Iyengar Yoga, was born on this day in Bellur, Kolar district, Karnataka. Iyengar's brother-in-law Tirumalai Krishnamacharya, who is known as father of modern yoga, asked him to come to Mysore. Iyengar calls this incident the turning point of his life. He was just 15 years old at that time. Several celebrities learned yoga from him, including famous philosopher Jiddu Krishnamurti, Jayaprakash Narayanan, Sachin Tendulkar, and many others. From Indian Yoga Guru to International Yoga Guru, his journey was in 1952. Iyengar met famous violinist Yehudi Menuhin in Pune as he was interested in learning yoga. Menuhin said that practicing yoga had improved his violin playing. He invited him to Switzerland, and from then onwards, he visited West regularly and he became internationally renowned. He taught yoga to Queen of Belgium Elizabeth, novelist Aldous Huxley, actress Annette Bening, and many others. Iyengar Yoga is named after BKS Iyengar. In three ways, it is different from other forms of yoga, which are precision, sequence, and use of props. His first book, Light on Yoga, was published in 1966 and it became an international bestseller. He laid the foundation of the Ramamani Iyengar Memorial Yoga Institute in 1973 in the memory of his wife in Pune. He received Padma Shri in 1991, Padma Bhushan in 2002, and Padma Vibhushan in 2014. San Francisco declared 5th October as BKS Iyengar Day in his honor. In June 2011, Beijing branch of the China Post presented him a commemorative stamp. His books are the followings: Light on Yoga, Light on Pranayama, the yogic art of breathing, the art of yoga, the tree of yoga, Light on the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, Light on Life, the yoga journey to wholeness, inner peace, and ultimate freedom, Yoga, the path to holistic health, Astadala Yogamala, collected works of 8 volumes, Yoga Wisdom and Practice, Yogika Manas, Know and Realize the Yogic Mind, Core of the Yoga Sutras, the definitive guide to the philosophy of yoga. Next point, 14th December 1953. Vijay Amritraj, former tennis player, sports commentator, was born on this day in Chennai. In 1970, he played his first Grand Prix events. In 1973, he reached the quarterfinals at 2 Grand Slam events. In 1980, he became world's number 16 in singles ranking. In 1974 and 1987, India Davis Cup team reached finals. Vijay Amritraj was part of this team. Vijay Amritraj has defeated John Bogg, Jimmy Connors, Rod Laver, and John McEnroe during his career. Amritraj has also acted in some movies. He played MI6 intelligence operative Vijay in James Bond movie Octopussy. In Star Trek 4 The Voyage Home, he played Starship Captain role. In 9 Deaths of the Ninja, he played Rankin character, and in Of God and Kings, he played Duke Bora Swain. He has worked in TV series The Last President and What a Country, in a talk show Dimensions with Vijay Amritraj, which telecasts on CNN IBM. He plays the host. Next point, 14th December 1971. Flying officer Nirmal Jeet Singh Sekhon, an officer of Indian Air Force and a Paramveer Chakra recipient, lost his life during India-Pakistan war on this date at the age of 28 in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. He is the only Indian Air Force officer who was awarded Paramveer Chakra. His unit was 18 Squadron, also known as the Flying Bullets. Its motto is Tivra or Nirbhaya. On 14th December, Srinagar airfield was attacked by 6 Pakistani Sabre aircrafts. Flying officer Shekhon took off in his fallen net fighter aircraft and engaged a pair of attacking Sabres. He shot down one Sabre aircraft and damaged another. Despite being alone, he continued engaging the enemy in an unequal combat of 1:4, but his aircraft also got hit in the fight, due to which he lost his life. In his honor, his statue, along with the decommissioned Folland Net fighter, has been erected in the Indian Air Force Museum, Palam. A marine tanker which was built in 1985 has been named after him. Next point, 14th December 1991. National Energy Conservation Day is celebrated on this day in 91 first time, and since then it has been observed every year on this date. The day is organized by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency BEE, which is under Ministry of Power, to showcase India's achievements in energy conservation and efficiency. This day focuses on making people aware about global warming, climate change, and also educating them about reducing the unnecessary use of fan, lights, and other electrical instruments in daily routine. It also promotes efforts towards saving energy resource and developing other resources to replace them. Each year, Bureau of Energy Efficiency reorganize and encourages the efforts and innovation by industries and other establishments in reducing the energy consumption by awarding them National Energy Conservation Awards. Ministry of Power organized many programs like debates, workshop, painting competition for students at both state and national level, with an objective to make children and their parents aware about the importance and need of conserving energy. तो दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आज का ये सेशन भी आपके लिए बहुत यूज़फुल एंड इन्फॉर्मेटिव रहा होगा. आप प्लीज़, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर. पढ़ाई करो तैयारी जीत की यूट्यूब चैनल एंड वीडियोस. कल मिलते हैं ऐसे ही एक और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के साथ. पढ़ाई करो की टीम की तरफ से ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड थैंक यू.